WordPress powers over 40% of the internet, making it the world's most popular website platform. But with great popularity comes great risk. Because WordPress is so widely used, it's a prime target for hackers. Outdated themes, plugins, and core files can leave your website vulnerable to security breaches. And if your site gets hacked, it could mean lost data, a damaged reputation, or even stolen customer information. So how can you protect your business and keep your WordPress site secure? First, you need to make sure everything stays updated. Outdated software is one of the leading causes of WordPress vulnerabilities. Regularly update your WordPress core, plugins, and themes to patch security holes and improve functionality. Next, make sure your plugins and themes are trusted and verified. Not all plugins and themes are created equal. Stick to well-reviewed and regularly updated options from trusted developers. Third, make sure you have added security features to add layers of protection like firewalls, malware scanning, and login monitoring. Next, and this is a huge one, make sure your website is always backed up. You should have automatic backups in place. That way, if something goes wrong, you can quickly restore your site. Lastly, number 5, consider a website redesign. Even with proper maintenance, older websites can still be at risk. Modernizing your website not only enhances security, but also improves performance, user experience, and mobile optimization. A fresh, modern site built with the latest tools and technology ensures your business stays ahead of both hackers and competitors. If it's been a while since your last website upgrade, now is the perfect time to make your site faster, safer, and more user-friendly. Want to know if your website is due for a refresh? Contact us today for a free security assessment. We're happy to help. Stay safe online. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.